If you love watching glamorous videos and would like to be notified every time you drop a new one, please bash that bell icon below.
What is the best way to gain weight quickly? Okay, so there's nothing called as quickly. You cannot gain weight very quickly. You cannot lose weight very quickly.
Absolutely.
And you might be surprised to know that weight gain is much difficult than weight loss. It's a challenge. Try to include foods which have lower quantity but are very dense. So say say 10 almonds or 12 almonds will give me 100 calorie.
Right.
So you have that much appetite and you can gain those many calories in a lesser amount.
Right.
So include seeds, high fat, good fat seeds. Those are flax seeds or sunflower seeds in your smoothies.
Right.
Include peanut butter, but make sure you're not just going for any store-bought peanut butter. It should be organic or homemade. Make sure that the ingredients of peanut butter is only peanut and a little bit. If not sugar, then it'll be great. A little bit sugar is fine, but it should not be too much hydrogenated oil.
Right.
So something more organic.
So looking for these key ingredients.
Key ingredients is really
a must,
It's a must. You can include juices in your diet. Fruit juices is a very good fresh fruit juices is a very good option to include for weight gain. And more on the, if you're a non-vegetarian, you could include a lot of lean protein also. Even protein is something that is very important.
Right.
So say lean chicken or fish.
And if they're vegetarians?
Vegetarians should include a lot of pulses in their diet,
Right.
say dals, chickpeas, kidney beans.
Right.
So making sure protein is there is very important. Full fat dairy products like milk, curd, something like that is very important. And cheese, that's the must in a...
Yum.
Yes.
I love cheese.
So every high fat food which will give you in a smaller quantity, which can give you a lot of portion in calorie count is a good thing.
But the key here is not to binge on, like overeat or do anything.
Absolutely.
To have it like
Even people who want to gain
weight,
weight have to control their portions at a time. No one focuses on is you also have to exercise. So as compared to weight loss,
because people think if I want to gain weight, I will not exercise.
No,
that's not true.
That's not true. So you have to do a lot of strength training when it comes to gaining weight. So say focus on 4 days of strength training and 2 days of cardio.
Okay.
So that will increase your appetite automatically and it will be very helpful.
And ultimately help you
Gain weight.
On that note, thank you, Sneha, for answering all those questions.
Most
It was a
welcome.
pleasure having you here. Have a great day. On that note, stay tuned and stay glamorous.